Welcome back to Ubad's lab, and today we're going to be making a potato cannon. Alright, so let's see how this potato cannon is going to work. We're going to have a PVC pipe, pretty long. Basically, the longer it is, the more accurate it is. The more that the projectile travels in the barrel, usually the more accurate it ends up firing. So at the end of the PVC pipe, we're going to have one end sealed off with a piece of wood, and I'm going to wrap it in some aluminum metal so that the wood doesn't get damaged over time from repeated fires. And then we'll have another piece of wood like this, so we'll be angled up, because I know this won't be too powerful, so aiming it directly straight might not get it launched that far. So we'll have a slight angle on it. So this will have an angle, and first, how this is going to work is that we're going to pack in using a rod from the front our nitrocellulose. So we're here. I'm going to pop in some NC, nitrocellulose. This is, oh yeah, one thing I forgot to show was that there will be a hole around here. Just a small hole for the fuse to go into. Our fuse, okay? And our fuse will be in contact with our nitrocellulose, and after that we will pack in some rocket wadding. All right, so this will protect our potato, which will be packed in next, and we'll have a tight seal on the potato, so no pressure will be released when the nitrocellulose is burned from the fuse. So how this is going to work is the nitrocellulose, we light the fuse bursts the nitrocellulose, and the nitrocellulose fires very fast, and that will push, the pressure will build up, that will push this rocket wadding and this potato, it's so ridiculous, this potato out of the barrel pretty fast. And so, I mean, that's the basic idea of it. We're going to see how this ends up doing. Alright, here is my cannon. It is a PVC pipe where in the back I put a piece of wood wrapped in this aluminum foil, and this is just for like blast protection, because I wouldn't want the wood would eventually get burned from repeated fires. And over here I have kind of like a stand for it, so it's shot at a little bit of an angle, because I'm not completely sure how much power this will have. So to get this started, we're gonna first put the fuse in, just like that. Okay, that's perfect. And now, after that, we're gonna stick in our nitrocellulose. Okay. We're not gonna do too much for this first run. We're gonna pack in around this much nitrocellulose. Okay, and I made this in one of my previous videos. The link to that will be down in the description if you're interested in seeing how I made a nitrocellulose. Alright, so I'm going to come over here to the front. And put the nitrocellulose right here into the front nozzle, and then pack it in using this rod. Until I see it come in contact with the fuse. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna have to look in the front. Let's see. Alright, it didn't go complete through. It's a bit of a thin rod, which is messing us up here. Okay. I believe it's all packed in. Okay. And now we're gonna put in some of our rocket wadding. Okay, that's a bit much. Let's see. Okay. Let's put around this much in there for now. And push it in with our rod again. There we go. Till it hits our nitrocellulose. Okay, it's with our nitrocellulose. So this first fire is going to be without launching the potato, because we want to make sure everything is working perfectly fine before we actually put some ammo in there. So let's do it. We're going to now shoot this. We're gonna ignite the fuse. Alright, that worked pretty well. The rocket wadding went flying. So this is gonna launch a potato pretty well. Alright, so I've got the rocket loaded up now, and this time with a potato cut like this. So I cut it so it fit perfectly and there's no pressure that escapes while it's launched, while the nitrocellulose explodes. So now we're gonna launch the potato and see how that goes. All right. Okay, there's quite a bit of recoil on that, and I don't know where the potato went, and I'm not sure if it even launched. We're gonna have to replay the footage on that one. Alright, so I've got it set up for one more launch. This time I've got a rock set up right behind it to help with the recoil, because there was quite a bit of recoil on that last one. And let's give it one more launch with another potato. Where did the potato go? I still do not see. We'll have a replay on it, and we'll see.